Warren Buffett has advised that be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. His advice is not only valid for the financial professional and the stock pickers, but also for anyone who is working in any field. I believe that the same is also applicable on our technical and digital field, as almost every year we get to hear about a new bubble, about a new fad, or some craziness starts happening around a valid technology. I believe that same is about to happen with artificial intelligence, just like it happened with dot-com bubble, with crypto, and a lot of other technologies. I'm not saying that AI is not valid. I am 100% sure that artificial intelligence and especially the generative AI is here to stay, and it is as big an event as the internet or the PC. But still, there is a lot of hype around it, and I believe that we need to be careful and not get carried away. The AI hype machine and recent stock surges in various companies like Google, Microsoft, Nvidia are driving people to start talking about this trend being the next dot-com bubble, and I'm with them. If indeed AI is a new dot-com, then there are no large swaths of AI IPOs to support that claim. There are no new IPOs, which is huge difference because mostly AI has been introduced by the existing companies like Google, Microsoft, and Nvidia. Nvidia stock has really surged a lot, and in one day it has added billions of dollars to its market cap. So I still believe that AI is not the new dot com, and it's not really in the bubble territory now because there is nothing to buy. It is mostly generating a lot of fear around the people, but still I don't see any opportunities where you can go and buy stocks or some coins or stuff like that as it comes to um, AI. So there is no chance of you losing money even if you want to, which happens in lots of bubbles. So as I said, there are not that many public companies that are true blue AI players at the moment. You can probably count them on the fingers of one hand: Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla, and maybe AWS. So I believe that stage is yet to come when there will be new companies launched and they might become mega billion dollars companies on the basis of generative AI. And when that time comes, we have to be careful that we shouldn't really get carried away with lots and lots of IPOs. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on it. So if you like, please put them in the comment section. Thank you.